Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to solve the practice set 3.5. Okay, it is the part of your polynomial chapter. Okay, so we are going to solve the first problem. The first problem says find the value of polynomial, and polynomial is given as 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 by using the value of x which is given in here. It is x equals to 3, we have x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 0. Okay, so first we are going to solve for x equals to 3. So the polynomial which is given as 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. So here, since x equals to 3, so instead of x we have to write 3. So since x equals to 3, therefore our polynomial will become 2 into 3 minus 2 into x cube, that means 3 cube plus 7. So 2 3s are 6 minus 3 3s are 27 and 27 into 2 is 54 plus 7. Okay, see 6 and 7 both have same sign, so they will add. So 6 plus 7 is 13 minus 54. So 4 minus 3 is 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4 and the greater number is negative. So answer will be negative 41. Okay. Now here we have x equals to minus 1. So since x equals to minus 1, so wherever we will find x, we have to write instead of x, we have to write minus 1. So we have 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 cube plus 7. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. We have minus into minus will become plus, and 2 into 1 is 2 plus 7. So minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. Therefore answer will be 7. Okay. So the second answer is 7 for the given value of polynomial which is x equals to minus 1. Here, since x equals to we have 0, so 2 into x will become 2 into 0 minus 2 into x cube will become 0 cube plus 7. So 2 into 0 is 0 minus cube of 0 is 0 into 2 is 0 plus 7. So the answer will be plus 7, that means 7. Okay, so here we have 3 answers for the 3 different values. Okay, so if x equals to 3, then the value of polynomial is 41. So here we have to write the result also. So what will be the result? So the result will be, if x equals to 3, then value of polynomial is minus 41, minus or negative 41. Here, if x equals to minus 1, then the value of polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 is 7. And here, if x equals to 0, then the value of polynomial is 7. Okay, so this is the way we have to solve the problem, and we are going to calculate the value of polynomial for the given value of x. Okay, so write down now. So students, we are going to solve the second problem. Okay, second problem says for each of the polynomial find p0 P1, P0 and P minus 2. Okay. The polynomial which is given as P x equals to x cube. So first we have to find P1. Since P1, if we will compare this polynomial, here it is Px. Therefore, x equals to, or here we have to write x and here we have to write 1. So x equals to 1. If x equals to 1, then what will be the value of polynomial? Okay, so we are solving here. So P1 equals to, we have x cube. Since x equals to 1, therefore P1 equals to 1 cube, and which is equals to 1. Therefore P1 equals to 1, and it is our answer. First answer we got. P1 equals to 1. Now here P0. See, if we will compare Px to P0, then we will find x equals to 0. Therefore, our P0, the polynomial will become P0 equals to x or 0 cube. 0 cube. And cube of 0 is 0. Therefore, x equals to 0. So, the answer will be P0 equals to 0. Okay, so really very easy one. Now third we have P minus 2. So we have to compare this Px to the P minus 2. Okay, so x equals to minus 2. So minus 2 we have to place here. Okay, so polynomial is Px equals to x cube. Since x equals to 2, therefore P minus 2 equals to minus 2 cube. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So answer will come negative. So answer will be P minus 2 equals to minus 8. Okay, so this is our answer. Therefore, the value of the polynomial for P1, P0 and P minus 2 is 1, 0 and minus 8. Okay, so that will be our result. So what will be result? The value of polynomial for P1, P0 and P minus 2 are, first is 1, 0 and minus 8 respectively. Okay, so this is the way we had to solve the second problem. Okay, so in second problem we had two more questions. So here we have only one term, that means it is the monomial. Now we are going to solve the one more problem, so that you will understand how to calculate the value of polynomial for P1, P0 and P minus 2. Okay, so write down this first, then we will solve the second problem. So now we are going to solve the second problem of second sub problem of the question number 2. Okay, so the polynomial which is given as y square minus 2y plus 5, and we have to calculate the value of this polynomial for three different values for P1, P0 and P minus 2. So if we will compare Py and P1, the y will become 1. Here if we will compare Py and P0, then y will become 0, and if we will compare Py to P minus 2, then we will get y equals to minus 2. So these are nothing but the value of y that we have to place in given polynomial. Okay, so solution. So see, the equation is the polynomial is py. Since y equals to we have 1, therefore we have to write p1 equals to y is 1, so we have to write 1 square minus 2 into y is 1 plus 5. So p1 equals to square of 1 is 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2 and plus 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So p1 equals to 4. So this is our first answer. Now here, since y equals to 0, therefore p0 becomes, what is y square? Y is 0, so will become 0 square plus 2 minus 2 into y is 0 plus 5. So p0 equals to square of 0 is 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0 plus 5. So p0 equals to 5. That is our second answer. Now here we have, since y equals to minus 2, therefore the equation will become p minus 2 equals to, what is y? Y is minus 2, so we have to write minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5 plus 5. Now p minus 2 equals to, square of minus 2 is 4, minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4 plus 5. So p minus 2 equals to 4 4 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 30. Okay, so this is our third answer. Okay, so here we got the value of polynomial for different values, that is p1, p0 and p minus 2 is 4, 5 and 13. Okay, so now we have to write the result. So what will be the result? The value of polynomial for p1 is equals to 4. It is 4. Then for p0 equals to 5 and p minus 2 and p minus 2 equals to 30, and that is our answer. Okay, so here what you need to do is you have to compare this by the equation and you will find y equals to 1, y equals to 0 and y equals to minus 2, and you can write and solve accordingly in order to get the value of given polynomial. Okay, so write down now. So students, now we are going to solve the third problem. Okay, third problem says if the value of polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12, then find the value of a. Okay, so polynomial and its value is also given, so here we have to find the value of a. Okay, so the answer will be solution. So now we are going to solve the third problem. Okay, so third problem says if the value of polynomial n cube plus 2m plus a equals to 12, Then find the value of a for m equals to 2. So here we have already written here our polynomial, which is m cube plus 2m plus a equals to 12 for m equals to 2. Therefore, m equals to, or we can write, since m equals to 2, then see, instead of m we have to write 2. So 2 cube plus 2 into what is m? M is 2 plus a equals to 12. So cube of 2 is 8 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus a equals to 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12 plus a equals to 12. So a equals to, we are transferring this 12 to another side. It is in positive, will go in negative form. So 12 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. Therefore a equals to 0. Okay. So here the value of a is 0. So now we have answer. So we have to write the result. So what will be result? The value of a in polynomial is 0, or in bracket we can write a equals to 0. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so students, write down now. So we have completed our first, second and third question. You need to practice at home so that you will face your examination which are coming soon. So students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. For better understanding, do keep this video repeat again. Okay, you have to watch this video again and again so that you will understand precisely. Okay, so bye for now.